Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside Settings because this is the only built-in notification light option on iPhone. Open Accessibility, tap Audio/Visual, then toggle on LED Flash for alerts. This sends camera LED flashes for incoming alerts. Turn on Flash on Silent if you want visual alerts when the phone is muted. Do this now so you can test right away. It's fast, and it's how Apple exposes a notification light without hardware mods. Once LED Flash for alerts is enabled, customize what triggers it by adjusting focus/do not disturb exceptions and individual app notifications. You want only the important alerts to flash, so open each app's notifications and allow sounds or banners as needed. Visual Flash follows that permission. Then test by sending a message or calling the phone from another device. If flashes feel too frequent, restrict to critical apps. Finish by verifying behavior over a day. Check flashes for calls, texts, and allowed app alerts. If it doesn't work, restart the iPhone first. Simple reboots resolve many settings glitches. Make sure the camera flash itself functions in the camera app. If not, you likely have a hardware issue that needs repair. Also ensure low power mode is off because it can change system behaviors. If problems persist after these steps, contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.